Hey guys, Scott here from scottsweb.dev. Today I'm going to show you how to SSH into your server if you're on Windows. If you're on Windows, you're going to need a terminal that allows you to SSH in, and probably the most popular one is PuTTY. I'll put a link for it in the description of this video. This is what the PuTTY program looks like. So we have our SSH details up here, except for the password. I won't show you guys my password. But all we need to do is put these details into PuTTY. So for the host name, we'll put the IP address. We'll put the port. Connection type is SSH. We'll want to save this. I will call this scottsweb.dev. Hit save. Now, anytime we want to connect to this in the future, instead of typing it in, we'll just click on it here and click load. It will load our details. Then we click open. You get this anytime you connect to a new server. We'll click accept. We're going to log in as this user right here as your username. Whoops. So I'll put U205328978. And then it wants our password. And that's it. I am SSH'd into my server. We can do our command line operations now, and you can see there's my folder structure. So this is how to use SSH on Windows. I got a question on one of my videos before talking about SSH where someone asked, how do you do it? So I wanted to make this video. I'll also make a video that shows you how to do it on Linux. I assume if you're at the point where you're learning how to SSH, you might not know a lot of Linux commands. So don't just run stuff that you see on a website somewhere. Be very careful with it. You can run a lot of powerful commands and do a lot of bad stuff. So if you're learning, make sure you're learning safe commands. Google if the commands you're using are safe. Make a backup of your website before you do anything if you're learning. Otherwise, SSH is a very powerful tool that allows you to do a lot of things that you just can't do without it. So thanks for watching. Lots more how-to videos coming up. We'll see you in the next one.